subject is IFEC, In-Flight Entertainment and Connectivity, or more commonly known as Wi-Fi on board. This market is growing rapidly and has a huge potential because only a few commercial airplanes have already been equipped across the world, while most passengers are ready to pay to stay connected during their flight. For this market, we are a supplier with interconnection solutions. We make the link between all the IFEC equipment such as antenna, modem, wireless access point, and Wi-Fi antennas. So, what are the 4 reasons to trust Atem as your future partner for your IFEC project?
The performance of our product. For 30 years, we have developed a strong worldwide supplier network which allows us to propose ultra-low loss coax cable to finally increase the data flow available for each passengers, so the passengers can fully enjoy the experience of Wi-Fi on board. Getting access to connectivity for each passengers will be progressively mandatory in the future. The dedicated support of our team. From the pre-sales activities to integration of the IFEC system into the airplanes, our commitment is to be totally dedicated to the success of your project. We have the skills to design and customize the connection kits to your need and propose the most competitive solutions. We are not only manufacturing the coax assembly kits on demand with high standards, but we are also able to support your integration team close to the airplanes. Attractive time deliveries. Thanks to both our ability to have strategic storage and our manufacturer team, we are able to propose attractive time deliveries, which is always a driving factor for aeronautics. Each aircraft is different and has its own configuration chosen by the airlines, and we think this can make a huge difference if you are able to quickly adapt the connection kits to the right needs of the airlines. Cost attractiveness. Our DNA is to be able to guarantee the quality, flexibility, and cost attractiveness for our customers. We are aware that we have the ability to supply our customers worldwide with customized connectivity at a lower price and a better time delivery than our competitors.
Today, we have already equipped more than 300 commercial aircraft with our kits, and we are ready to do more. This is just the beginning. Other than commercial aviation, we are also able to do the same for other connectivity markets such as business jets, yacht, and cruise ships. We are looking for shaping the future of connectivity with you thanks to the customized connectivity by Atem. Please visit our website for more information or you can contact us directly.